Hey guys, it's your boy Akahilz. Welcome back, guys. Live here, we're going to look into how to use the convert feature on Kucoin. These are some of the features that just got released on Kucoin. We're also going to look into the OCO feature, which is available here. I'm going to talk about it. So first and foremost, for users who want to use this convert feature, it's usually very easy for beginners, and also if you're looking towards not paying any fees while converting your assets. So if you want to do a quick converting, you want to use consider using the convert feature. To get access to it, you need to click on the top icon and click on this and convert feature. So it's basically like the light version of the spot trading. Here you don't get to see charts and every other stuff, but it says here it's zero fees. You can lock in prices immediately, and also is just one click of a trading. So guys, what you need to know is that each of these assets have their individual minimum requirement that you can be able to convert. Now for USDT, you need to convert from $10 to about $5,000. That's the maximum you can use with this feature if you don't want to pay fees. So these are some key concepts you need to know. So let's say we want to convert to let's say we want to convert to I think want to convert to BNB or Dogecoin. Also, you also want to know that there are some assets that are currently not listed here, so you want to make do with whichever one that is available here. But either way, you can also swap these other assets for the particular asset you want, right, using the spot trading feature. So let's say we want to convert to I think Matic is currently looking good this period, so we want to convert about $10 worth of this token. I think Matic is currently looking good. I think maybe we just look for something. So this is the price we'll be getting at. So 0.91 USDT to 1 Matic. So this is the price that's currently available. So all you need to do, just click on place order, and your order will be automatically filled. I'm still going to look for let's say I want to look for Ape coin. I don't know if I should go for Ape or should go for, let's just go with Matic, guys, or Argo. There's no Argo here. Okay, so guys, I think I'm just gonna go with I don't know, let me just choose either of these, guys. Let's just go with Matic, guys. So let's say we want to go with Matic, so I'm going to choose this. So this is what we'll be getting here. I'm going to place the order now. So confirm. You can see we just received about 10.89 Matic tokens. So you can view your order here. There are also some basic advantages and other FAQs here that you could get access to. Now going towards the users, going towards the OCO platform. So this is the sports trading platform where you can get access to the OCO. Now the OCO is short for one cancels the order. So it basically is a new feature that combines the limit orders and also the stop limit orders. So now users can easily use this combined feature where you can decide to buy and sell a particular asset immediately. Like you can place orders for buy and sell immediately using this feature without having to do this individually. Now all you need to do to get started, once you've come over to the sports trading menu, this is on default, is on euro. So I'm going to switch it off to, let's see, I want to switch it off to KCS or just any of these altcoins. So let's say I want to switch it off to, I think let me look for Agoron pair or Matic. I think we just traded for Matic, guys. So I'm going to search up Matic here. So we have a Matic here, Matic USDT. Okay, so I'm going to go with this. So this is what we just transfer. So you can see the amount of USDT we have left, 25 here. Then we got about 10.89 Matic tokens. So you want to select it. So take note, it's on the spot limit order. So all you need to do, click on this icon here. It's going to show you the OCO market order. Now you can see the interface is currently different. So for the limit orders, for users who are not familiar with limit orders gives you the opportunity to buy a particular asset at a particular price. Now you can decide to it gives you the opportunity to buy this asset at your preferred price. So let's say the price of Matic is currently 0.9162, as you can see on my screen here, and you don't want to buy it at this particular price, you want to buy it cheaper than this. So you could decide to set a limit order, and whenever your price, or whenever the price of Matic gets to that, let's say you set it at 0.910, or you set it at about here, whenever it gets to this point, your limit order will be filled, and your order will be completed successfully. Now for the market order enables you to buy these assets immediately. So whichever price it is at the market, that's what you'll be buying it. So the major difference is that most times users do get to buy it more expensive when you are using the market order, although you might not miss out on the opportunity of getting that asset, unlike the limit order, where in which case your order might not be filled, or it may take a particular time before your order gets filled. So those are some key differences. And also users also use it in selling their orders. So if you've made a particular profit, or you've gotten a particular profit from a particular asset, you want to set a limit order that you want to sell at this particular point. So you can also use the this particular feature. Now for the OCO, or the stop limit order, this is the both mechanism that it uses for users. So all you need to do is to select the price. Now the price is the point at which you want to get your profit. So it's just basically the point at which you want to take out your profit. So let's say you're buying about or you've bought some amount of USDT, and or you've bought some amount of Matic tokens. Let's say we bought Matic tokens, and we bought it at about 0.9171, and we want to sell this Matic at about $1. Once it gets to $1, we want to put, let's say we want to put $1 here, want to put 1 USDT here. Now the stop limit order is the order at which it triggers the point at which it triggers your or tries to sell off, triggers your order, or tries to trigger the sell price for your assets. Now all you need to do, or most users, what they usually do is that they set this stop limit order at a price that's a little bit lower than the price that it's than the limit order itself. Now the limit order for a sell order is the price at which you want to minimize your losses. So if the price of Matic is currently at 0.9176, you want to set your limit order at 0.90. So let's say you want to set it at 0.90. Then also you want to, because most times it could be a very volatile market or a choppy market, so you want to set your stop limit order at about 0.9. Let's say 0.9. We have 0.905 here. So you're setting it at 0.905, meaning once it gets to this stop limit order, it's going to trigger it, and it's going to try as much as possible to sell off the asset before it gets to this point, which is 0.90. So these are possibly you can use this. Then the amount is the total amount, or the amount that you want to sell. So if you want to sell all, so let's say you want to sell all your Matic, let's put in 5 here. So I'm just going to do this and click on sell. Okay, you'll be requested to put in your trading your trading password. So I'm just going to put random figures here. Just going to put in random figures here. Just gonna put in random figures. So we just successfully put in. So you can see our order has been placed, and we placed an order for 5 Matic tokens. So you want to take note that your order, or the available tokens, is currently still showing here as about 10 Matic. So meaning it is not your assets are not currently locked. So you want to make sure you leave it like that. Then when you go over to the advanced orders, you see the Matic. This is the order you just put in for. So this is a sell order. So you can see this sell order. So you want to take note that if Matic gets up to this point, $1, your Matic is going to be sold. It's going to be sold automatically at this price, and you'll be able to take your profits, while this sell order will be cancelled immediately. Now if it does get to this point 0.90, your losses will be minimized and your order will be also automatically cancelled. So this is just the basic scenario or basic understanding about these OCO orders. So it's a little bit technical, as you may call it, but it's the more you utilize it, the more you utilize this feature, the more you get access to it. There's also an illustration here that talks about it. I'll be leaving a link in the description box below so you can get more insight on how to go about it. So basically it says here that the price, okay, let's say it says here the price, this is the price of your limit order. So this amount will be the first visible on your order book. So set this number to wherever you would like to exit your position. So in that case we choose $1 since we entered at about 0.90. So exit your position and take a profit if the trade goes your way. Now the stop, which we set at about 0.95, this is the stop limit trigger price. So once the asset price reaches the specified trigger, it will replace the regular limit order with a stop limit order. Now traders usually place a stop trigger slightly higher or lower than the stop limit price, just so that the order will be filled in time, or will have enough time to be filled at the correct price. Now that's the reason why people do fill it, just so your order could be filled immediately. So when the market is very volatile or in a choppy market, you want to set it so it gives it a kind of opportunity to be aware that it should start closing up, or it should trigger up your limit order. Now the limit order itself is the price of your stop limit order. So this amount will be visible on your order book after the stop price is triggered. So set this number to wherever you would like to exit your position and realize a loss. Now if the trade doesn't go your way, that's so basically the limit order is where you want to exit the position, and the price is where you want to take your profit from. So the stop limit order is just in between, the point at which you want either of these functions to be notified that your order should be getting ready to initiate, or should get ready to initiate. So whichever one it is. So the amount here is the amount of the value you want to use. Now an example here, there's an illustration here which you can also check out, but this is just basically how it works. Now for final word, or one thing to note, is that your asset will not be locked, just like you saw the Matic, there is not locked unless your order is triggered. Now if the assets are insufficient by the time you meet the trigger price, your order will fail. So that's maybe in a scenario where you later transferred your asset out of your trading account. That's one of the scenarios. Now once your order is triggered, however, your assets will be locked for you to see. Now the final word here is that the OCO feature is a simple yet powerful tool that allows you and other Kucoin users to trade much more automated and secure way. Using an OCO order is beneficial when you aren't sure about where the trade will go and want to make sure you won't miss out on taking a profit or getting out of the trade with only a small loss. So hey guys, for bonus tips guys, I'll be leaving some of these links in the description box below so you can get access to it. Then also you want to check out our latest videos. We talked about some basic ways for you to earn passive income. We also talked about the Kucoin Spotlight feature that is token that's currently being listed up. So once you make sure you register on Kucoin, so you get a bonus as a new user. And also if you have any other questions guys, feel free to let me know in the comment section guys. Thanks for watching. It's your boy Akahilz guys. Peace out.